So, good morning everyone. Children, we will continue our next topic, that is classification of soil, and from second type of soil. Yesterday we have gone through alluvial soil and we have gone through what important features and distribution of soil and what are the characteristic features, what are the benefit of alluvial soil. Okay, so you have to keep these points in your mind. Now we have to start black soil and what are the components and features of black soil. So children, as the name suggests, black soil because it is made of black igneous rocks. What is igneous rocks, children? I think all of you know what is igneous rocks.
Now when molten lava cools down, it forms igneous rocks.
Yes, exactly. Right? These type of soil, black soil is basically blackish in color because these are made of basalt type, यानी जो igneous rock है, right, which is actually covered the plateaus of Maharashtra and Deccan Plateau region, okay, which is made of igneous rocks which actually comes out from the lava. तो हमारा जो ये basalt region है, स्टूडेंट, जो ये डेक्कन ट्रैप है इंडिया का, ठीक है, ट्रायंगुलर पार्ट, दैट इज कॉल्ड डेक्कन ट्रैप. ये बेसॉल्ट रीजन है. बेसॉल्ट रीजन इज बेसिकली फॉर्म ऑफ igneous rocks. So igneous rocks is the lava which came out from the volcano, right? And we know that हमने ये previous classes में पढ़ा है, ये एग्जोजेनिक फोर्सेस से बने हैं. तो पहला जो alluvial soil था, it was made of exogenic forces, whereas this black और grey, आप देख रहे हो ये हमारा डेक्कन ट्रैप है. दिस इज कॉल्ड गोंडवाना लैंड, जो कि ओल्डेस्ट लैंड मास है, ट्रायंगुलर इन शेप. दिस एंटायर लैंड और डेक्कन ट्रैप इज बेसॉल्ट रीजन एंड मेड ऑफ igneous rocks. ठीक है, तो igneous rocks is basically formed of the lava, the molten rocks which came out from the earth during the time of any explosion or volcano. तो ये हमारा जो पार्ट ड्रिफ्ट हुआ था at the time of plate tectonics theory हमने पढ़ी है. तो गोंडवाना land was drifted from the Africa and then it merged to the Asia continent. So this is considered as the oldest land mass and that is why it is form of igneous rocks and called basalt region. तो ये जो soil है children, ये black soil है and this type of soil is very important for the growing of cotton and it is also called as cotton soil. It is believed that climatic condition along with the parent rock and material are the important factors for the formation of soil. So climatic condition और parent rock जो है वो इसके लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर माना गया है जिसकी वजह से ये सॉइल फॉर्म हुई है. ठीक है, देन दीज रीजन्स, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ सॉइल क्या है? प्लैटियोज ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, सौराष्ट्र, मालवा प्लैटियो, पार्ट्स ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश एंड छत्तीसगढ़, एक्सटेंडेड इन द साउथ ईस्ट डायरेक्शंस अलॉन्ग विद द गोदावरी एंड कृष्णा वैली. तो ये जो ट्रायंगुलर पार्ट है यहाँ पे ये हम देख सकते हैं. दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ सौराष्ट्र, मालवा प्लैटू रीजन, छत्तीसगढ़ रीजन, ठीक है, पार्ट्स ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश एंड महाराष्ट्र रीजन, देन द बेसिन्स ऑफ कृष्णा एंड गोदावरी. ठीक है, इन बेसिन में जो है वो ये डेक्कन रीजन में ये ब्लैक सॉइल. ओके, now what are the other important features? It is made up of extremely fine clay material. They are well known for the capacity to hold moisture for long time, right? The black soil is basically known for the capacity to hold moisture for long time and they are rich in soil such as calcium carbonate, magnesium and potash. So here 1 marks question can be asked for identification of the type of soil. Here features will be given. Which type of soil is rich in soil nutrients such as calcium carbonate, magnesium and potash. You have to identify the type of soil. So this is black soil or lagoon soil. Okay, it is also called as cotton soil. Okay, so you have to identify. Now look at the other important features. And these soils are generally poor in phosphoric acidic contents, they develop deep down cracks during hot weather season while helps in the proper aeration of the soil. These soils are sticky when wet and difficult to work on unless and till immediately after shower or during the pre-monsoon period. You can see the cracks in between. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो इस इमेज में, ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपको क्रैक्स देखने को मिल रहे हैं, ठीक है. So this is called black soil is actually following the process of aeration. Aeration means there will be a kind of cracks in between so that they can, हम कह सकते हैं कि breathe or circulation of air, ठीक है, जहाँ से कि वो circulation जा सकता है during the hot weather season. This is called aeration process. Are you getting all of you? ठीक है. In during hot weather season क्या होते हैं, इस black soil में जो है वो cracks दिखाई देने लगते हैं, which actually they soil जो है वो break होने लगती है so that they can inhale. हम कह सकते हैं कि inhale कर रही है, circulation of air pass हो सकता है, right, जिससे कि वो long time के लिए moisture को control कर सके, ठीक है. These soils are sticky when wet and difficult to work on unless tilled immediately after the first shower or during the pre-monsoon period, ठीक है. Okay, so what are the important features of black soil? Children, are you getting all of you? Only few children have open camera. Rest of the students are leaving slowly. Here, 45 to 33. Yes. What are the important features of black soil? Yes, please tell. What are the important features of black soil? Yes, children. Are you getting all of you? Yes, please tell.
Ma'am, could you please name?
Okay, Pragati, please speak.
Oh, ma'am, so the main property of black soil is that they have very fine particles, and so for that, they contain mostly moisture content because they have fine, very thin gaps in between the gaps where they are broken down for the air amidst that it can breathe properly, and it can hold moisture content very much.
Okay. Yes, Arpit. RS समझ में बेटा आपको? Yes, please speak. Yes, beta, please speak.
Black soil is the type of
Okay, your voice is not very clear, but I got your point. Yes. Yes, Arpit, please tell. What are the important features of black soil? How can you identify? Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, so I hope all of you are clear now. So basically, black soil is known for it is made up of igneous rocks and lava rocks, right? And it is formed made up of extremely fine clay, and their capacity is known to hold moisture for long time. Okay, and it is also best soil for the cultivation of cotton. They are poor in phosphoric contents, but they develop deep cracks during hot weather season, which helps proper aeration of the soil. Okay, so these soil are sticky. Now next type of soil is red and yellow soil. Okay, so as the name suggests here, red and yellow, which is red and yellow color soil. So you can just go through this map again. Here you can just find out where the red and yellow soil is distributed in India. So this map is very important and questions will come from map also. Okay, 1 marks or 1 point questions. So you have to do map this same as it is. You have to do it in your notebook. Okay, you will take up one outline map and then you will use pencil to mark the distribution of the type of soil. There are 6 types of soil, and then you will use pencil colors, or you can use any symbols to show the type of soil. Okay, so in this way you will prepare this activity. Now look at the red and yellow soil. Children, you can see this red and yellow soil is starting from the center of the India. Okay, starting from Madhya Pradesh and parts of Chhattisgarh, Bihar, okay, West Bengal, and then you can see in the parts of western coast. इन पूरी जगहों पे इन रीजन्स में जो है वो रेड एंड येलो सॉइल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है. ओके, एंड इन पार्ट्स ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट. So what are the important features we can see here? Red soil basically develops on crystalline igneous rocks. So children, what is the meaning of crystalline igneous rocks? Basically igneous rocks का ही हम किसी के crystalline होना, which is clearly हम किसी yes very good. So crystallize क्या है? Basically एक तरीके से वो clear हो गया है और वो एक तरीके से टूट के बिखर गया है. ठीक है. These crystalline igneous rocks in areas of low rainfall in eastern area and southern parts of Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau के southern part में, and yellow and red soils are found in the parts of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, southern parts of Middle Ganga plain and along the Piedmont region. So Piedmont region कौन सा है स्टूडेंट्स? मैप में एक बार फिर से देखते हैं. जो हमारा वेस्टर्न घाट्स है, तो ये आपने प्रीवियस ज्योग्राफी में पढ़ा ही था हमने 9th क्लास में, कि जो ये वाला पार्ट है हमारा, ये थोड़ा सा हाईलैंड है. ठीक है. और हाईलैंड्स के बाद जब ये पूरा हाईलैंड है हमारा, वेस्टर्न घाट भी हाईलैंड है. हाईलैंड मीन्स जो प्लेट्यू है वो हाई है. ठीक है. एंड उसके बाद यहाँ से स्लोप्स है, इस पार्ट में स्लोप्स आ जाते हैं. ठीक है. सो दिस रीजन इज yes, when you enter from high region to plain or maybe slopes पे जब आते हैं तो उस रीजन को हम Piedmont region कहते हैं. ठीक है. सो ये Piedmont region में से डेक्कन ट्रैप के जो Piedmont region है वहाँ से ये रेड एंड येलो सॉइल स्टार्ट होती है. ठीक है. ये आपको याद रखना है ताकि आप इजीली मार्क कर सके मैप में. These soils are developed a reddish color due to diffusion of iron. Diffusion of iron का मतलब क्या है? आयरन और जो हम किसी के जो बिखरे हुए हैं in these part, in this region has been derived from the later which means brick. तो brick तो आपने देखा ही है. The laterite soil develops under tropical and subtropical climate with alternate wet and dry season. This soil is the result of intense leaching. What is leaching process? Yes children, is there anyone who can speak? What is leaching process? Yes. Yes children, where are you? Nobody is speaking. Basically children, laterite soil has been derived from the Latin word later, which means brick. The laterite soil developed in area with high temperature and heavy rainfall. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे जिन रीजन्स में मीन्स बिलो द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर ट्रॉपिकल क्लाइमेट मिलता है, ठीक है, एंड ट्रॉपिकल रीजन कौन सा है विच रिसीव्स हैवी रेनफॉल. ओके, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ सॉइल इज बेसिकली फाउंड इन हाई टेम्परेचर, राइट, एंड हैवी रेनफॉल रीजन्स, राइट, एंड ह्यूमस कंटेंट ऑफ द सॉइल इज वेरी लो. इस टाइप की सॉइल में ह्यूमस कंटेंट जो है वो बहुत ही लो हो जाता है, ठीक है, एंड लेटराइट सॉइल आर सुटेबल फॉर द कल्टीवेशन विद ओनली adequate dose of chemical fertilizers or manures, right, and with the help of we can say technologies, right. So आप इन रीजन्स में देख सकते हो जो मैप में मैंने आपको शो किया है. These regions are plateau region. Okay, so here plateau regions are already very solid. These are made of rocks. Understand? So here cultivation is difficult, but with the help of fertilizers and manures, we can do some type of cultivation. And voice is not. You're not getting my voice. Yes, children. Are you know? So maybe there will be some network problem in your place. Children, please do not displace your device, your mobile phones. ठीक है, जहाँ पे आपने इंस्टॉल किया है वहीं पे आप बैठिए, ठीक है. Okay. Now look at the next one. So what are the important features of laterite soil, children? Here, laterite soils are mostly found in very deep and acidic, that is pH 6.0, generally deficient in plants nutrients and ocean. थोड़ा सा क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा है, एक मिनट. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So acidic pH is only 6.0, generally deficient in plant nutrients and occur mostly in southern states. That is Western Ghats region of Maharashtra, Odisha, some parts of Western Bengal and northeastern state. These soils support deciduous and evergreen forest. It is humus rich but under sparse vegetation. Okay, because here plateau region hai, right? So vegetation is very less and in semi-arid environment. It is generally less humus. Humus content is very less in laterite soil. Okay, you can see this image in 1.8 somewhere ये थोड़ा rocky है, ठीक है, and vegetation is also very sparse. Means you can see soil very less, only diffusion of laterite soil you can observe here. Okay, they are prone to erosion and degradation due to their position on the landscape. After adopting appropriate soil conservation techniques, particularly in the hilly areas of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, this soil is very good for the cultivation of, you can see in these part. जो हमारे साउदर्न पार्ट है, इन रीजन्स में जो लेटराइट सॉइल है, it is good for the cultivation of tea, coffee and cashew nuts, like that. So which place are famous for cashew nuts? Yes, children, can you tell?
Ma'am, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala.
Yes, Karnataka in India. ठीक है, इंडिया में जो सबसे हाईएस्ट कॉफी प्रोड्यूसर है वो कौन सा है? कर्नाटका. ठीक है, so these places, these laterite soil is good for the cultivation of tea, coffee and cashews. Okay, जहाँ पे laterite soil है, that is the parts of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu in the southern part. Okay, now I will ask questions again. Look at the next type of soil, that is arid soil. Children, arid soil is we can say sandy soil, and we can also tell alkaline, yeah, alkaline. आपको बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है, ठीक है. तो आप लोग यहाँ पे लिखेंगे सैंडी सॉइल है, अल्कलाइन सॉइल है, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड डेजर्ट सॉइल. Arid soils range from red to brown in color. They are generally sandy in texture and saline. Saline बताया था मैंने आपको, alkaline है saline soil भी इसको कहते हैं. It is saline in nature. Okay, and in some areas the salt content is very high. Okay, we have learned in 9th class in drainage chapter. Here some of the places are well known for the formation of salt because these places are well known for the saline content. Okay, and common salt is obtained by evaporating the water. Due to the dry climate and high temperature, evaporation is faster and the soil lacks humus and moisture. So we already know that arid region, because of scarcity of humidity, scarcity or shortage of rainfall, okay, here the moisture is very less, and due to that the soil basically do not contains any kind of moisture. That is called loose soil. ठीक है, अगर आप देखोगे सैंड को हाथ में लोगे तो उसमें बिल्कुल भी moisture नहीं होगा. ठीक है, that is lacking humus and moisture. That is the meaning here. The lower horizons of the soil are occupied by concrete because of the increasing calcium content downwards. Right, so what is concrete children here? जो semi arid parts है, जो हमारा मैप में, मैं आपको फिर से मैप में दिखाती हूँ. ठीक है, आप ये येलो पार्ट में देखेंगे, जो ये पूरा ही टोटली सैंडी रीजन है, बट इन द बॉर्डर लाइन और जो डाउनवर्ड्स रीजन है, यहाँ पे सेमी एरिड रीजन है, which actually contains nodules or concrete, which where you can find some type of vegetation. Okay, और जो टोटली सैंडी और डेजर्ट एरिया है, here vegetation is very less, and where the concrete are found in the bottom horizons, where we can do some type of cultivation with the help of irrigation, artificial irrigation. ठीक है, so in Rajasthan we know that only Boni river is flowing along with the Indira Gandhi canal, with which irrigation can be done. I hope this is clear. What are the important features of arid soil? So you know that it contains high amount of salt or lacking moisture, lack of humus, right? Clear है सभी को? And the distribution you can write down in the parts of Rajasthan and western parts of Gujarat, right? Now look at the next topic. Yes, is there any confusion? Yes, is there any confusion? Children, please ask.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Children, please switch on your cameras in between. I can see here there were 33 students. Now it is only 32. So please don't try to leave in between. Why you are leaving in between the class? I will check later. जिन्होंने बीच में क्लास escape किया है.
Because it's a great
Is it your break time?
9:20 to 9:10.
Okay.
Northeast and northeast.
Okay, just take a break. Thereafter we will start once again. Okay, children.
Only 6 minutes are left.
Okay, please take 10 minutes break. Third period is again my period, so I will give you 10 minutes. Okay, no issue. I am here. Okay, and come back after 10 minutes.
Thank you, ma'am.